Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Deb. I'm here to share a couple of new kits in my shop. The first one is Beautiful Blue. I'm just going to go through them real quick because I have two kits to show you, so we'll do this quickly. This is the first page, and I've backed it with different backgrounds. You'll see. This is the second page. See, that's different. I could maybe come over a little so you could see a bit of both sides, but I've only done the main pages, like backgrounds. So these are the main pages, and there's 6 of them. And then we go into the backgrounds here. There's, I believe, 4. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. This one has a little bit of writing on it. Okay, so that's the main pages and the backgrounds. And then we're going into the elements. So there's a large envelope here, and these are belly bands or strips. You can use them however you like. Flags and tabs. I like to do these because everyone seems to really like the tabs. These are the large tags. And these are tags and tickets. These are pockets. More pockets, but these are side pockets. And just to fill up, I added a bit of lace, a piece of lace here. These are my narrow tags. Pocket envelope and extras, meaning circles, and these little, I think you can punch these out with one of your circle punches. I'm not sure. I never checked it. And I just gave extra strips here for whatever. Mini folders. And actually they go this way. And the journaling cards. So that's the Beautiful Blue kit. And I'll just grab the next kit, which is Times Gone By. So this is what they look like. This is totally like kind of out of my realm, this kit, but I just really love it. So I'm going to have fun with this one. You'll see it's quite different than what I've ever done before. And I've backed the pages with one of the background papers. Just showing you what the main pages look like. They're just fun and different. Here's the background papers. And I use quite heavy cardstock, so I think I'm always taking 2, but I'm not. So the background papers are a little bit on the light side, and I like that because if you want to put this on the back side of your main papers, they all work really well. I like this one a lot. So then we get into the large tags, and I now have made my large tags larger, like taller. I'm finding, you know, people are liking larger tags these days. And then, you know, there's the smaller tags and then tickets. And this is the pocket and the extras. These are other pockets. Oops, I don't know if I took two. No, see, I think I'm taking two and I'm not. And these are just side pockets, and then I've added some extra pieces to fill in the space. And remember, you can always print 2 per page or 4 per page, however you like. These are the belly bands, or whatever you want to use them for. Here's the large envelope. And the flags and tabs. And the mini folders. And the narrow tags. So, those are my 2 new kits in my shop right now. And I hope you enjoy. I hope you go over and have a look. I'm going to have fun with this one. Anyways, bye for now.